You know, it's crazy cause nights like this will start out with a little private party. You sneak me in your mom's house. I know I might have spilled my drink, but really wasn't trying to spill my heart out. I mean, it started as a conversation. I was really trying to get my thoughts out. But then we make moves and we make plans. Had the whole thing mapped out. See, you were gonna go to college and to pay for bills. I figured a job out. And you knew I had to say it, but them days gone. Time moved on and you switched phones. Hopefully reincarnation will bring us back to the place we belong.
Summer after high school when we first met, we make out